In this question, you're given that x square plus 5x plus 8 is equal to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 have a common root. And you're asked to find a is to b is to c. So if these two equations have a common root, how can you find a is to b is to c? So obviously, if you remember your theory, so if two equations have a common root, you cannot get a is to b is to c. You get a big condition. So from that condition, how will you be able to get a is to b is to c? So if you use the general process, you won't be able to solve this question. So in this question, you need to observe something else. The thing is, if you see this equation, what is the discriminant of this equation? The delta of this equation is b square 25 minus 4ac. 4 into 8 is 32, which is equal to minus 7. So delta is equal to minus 7. That is negative. That means this equation has imaginary roots. So if they have a common root, so one imaginary root has to be common. And that implies the other imaginary root is also in common. That means both the roots of this equation are common. Hence, a by 1 has to be equal to b by 5 has to be equal to c by 8. So this implies a is to b is to c has to be equal to 1 is to 5 is to 8. So this is the required ratio of a and b and c. Thank you.